Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. So today we are here to fix Amazon Prime Video subtitles, or just in general learn how to get subtitles on your Amazon Prime Video or simply Prime Video. So first and foremost, what we need to do is open the Prime Video application on your mobile phone, and when you do it, let's wait for a second. You can just select any movies, series, cartoons, whatever you wish to watch. So I'm just gonna choose Kung Fu Panda, The Paws of Destiny for this one. So see, once we have this, then we come to the home screen of the movie, of the series. So once you just click it in, once the video starts on your, so once you get to this side of the page, what you can see is in the top right corner you can see a message icon. Tap in there and boom, here you have the subtitles that you want to choose from. You can turn it off so you won't have any disturbances, or you can select it to the language of your choice. You have Dutch, English, Espanol, French, Indonesian, Italian, anything you like. So select anything you like from here, subtitles. And another thing you can do is you can even change the entire audio. You can change the audio of the language that you desire. You can change it into English, Spanish, French, Indonesian, etc., whichever you wish. So for example, currently let me just try Hindi here. So I close it. So I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this because due to copyright issues we are not allowed to screen record from Prime Videos. But if you are able to see it, well and good. We can see that there are Hindi subtitles in the video right now. So I hope this was helpful to you in any way. If it was, like it, subscribe to get more of these, and subscribe to get more of these content. And thank you for watching. Bye.